everyone, my name is Trisha. We are going to make mixed vegetable soup. So let's see our ingredients. Our ingredients are spinach, tomato, onion, potato, carrot, garlic, jeera, black pepper, salt. Now we will cut them in small pieces. Now our vegetables are chopped. So let's add some water and keep it in the microwave for 10 minutes. Now our vegetables are steamed. Let them cool. After some time, we will grind them. Now our vegetables are grinded. So let's pour them in the pan, and we have add some ghee in the pan, 1 tablespoon. Now let's add some jeera. Now we will add the grinded puree. Now we will add some black pepper. We will also add some salt. Now our soup will be ready in 5 minutes. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Our tasty soup is ready. We are adding some bread cubes to make our soup more crunchy. We have microwaved them in microwave 2 minutes, and we are also adding some fresh cream. Look at the soup, it's looking so tasty. See you soon. Bye. Bye bye. Thanks for watching our video.